Most people believe that poor plant growth happens because there is not enough fertilizer. Because of this, they keep adding more nutrients and trying new products. They often spend more money, yet the results stay the same. The real problem is usually not the amount of food. It is the soil, which can no longer hold what the plant needs. When you water or fertilize the soil, many nutrients are quickly lost. Water pushes them deeper into the ground or washes them away. Some are gone before roots can absorb them. Plants then grow unevenly, roots remain weak, and the soil dries out or becomes hard and compact. This is why skilled gardeners think differently. They do not focus on feeding the plant again and again. Instead, they start by improving the soil itself. They use a natural material that acts like a reserve underground. It absorbs water, stores nutrients, and releases them slowly when the plant needs them most. The soil stays loose, breathable, and stable. This happens even during droughts or heavy rain. What makes this method special is its long-lasting effect. The material does not break down after one season. Once added, it keeps working for many years. It continuously improves growing conditions. Plants grow at a steady pace instead of sudden bursts. They become stronger and healthier over time. Here is something most people never mention. This material is not new or experimental. It has been used for more than 100 years. It comes from volcanic rock. It is a natural mineral with a tiny porous structure. That structure allows it to hold water, minerals, and ammonia inside the soil. This mineral is called zeolite. For gardens and vegetable beds, the most effective type is rich in clinoptilolite. It helps balance moisture and nutrients. It also binds harmful substances in the soil. Because of this, plants become more resistant and less stressed. Using zeolite is very simple. You can find it in garden centers, agricultural stores, or online. Before planting, spread it over the soil and mix it into the top layer. Only a small amount is needed. The effect lasts for years. Once you understand this process, your approach changes. You stop constantly feeding plants. Instead, you build soil that supports them naturally. This is the difference between an average garden and one that becomes more fertile every season.